3 ways to organize your wrapping paper. The first option is an over-the-door solution. Utilize behind-the-door space. Similar tools should be stored together. This customizable option is a great way to see everything right at a glance. The second way to organize your wrapping paper is in a standing solution. Drawers make it easy to contain and maintain categories. This wrapping paper cover helps protect from dust. And never overlook a custom solution. Customization is a great way to maximize your space.